Welcome back to Drive Depths, where we take you beneath the surface of the automotive world. If you're passionate about cars that stir the soul, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and buckle up, because today, we're diving deep into a name that defines American muscle, the Chevrolet Camaro. And not just any Camaro. We're talking about the 2026 edition, one that's reshaping expectations and defying the idea that muscle cars are stuck in the past. The Camaro has always carried weight in the car world. Since its debut in 1966 as a response to the Ford Mustang, the Camaro has had a loyal following. Sharp looks, rear-wheel drive, and good old-fashioned power, it's been a symbol of raw American performance for decades. But by the mid-2020s, the question on everyone's mind was simple: what comes next? Is the muscle car era over? Chevrolet didn't just answer that question, they tore the page out and rewrote the book. The 2026 Camaro is a bold pivot. Chevy has confirmed that this generation will be the last of the traditional internal combustion Camaros, but they're not going out quietly. Instead of winding down, the 2026 model goes all in with a blend of retro attitude, modern tech, and some serious engineering magic. Under the hood, you'll still find V8 power, at least in the higher trims. The 6.2-liter LT2 V8, tuned to squeeze out over 500 horsepower, is the star of the show in the ZL1 model. It roars, it pulls, and it reminds you why people fell in love with cars in the first place. But Chevrolet knows the future isn't just about brute force, so for the first time, the Camaro lineup also includes a hybrid variant. Yes, you heard that right. The 2026 Camaro Hybrid pairs a turbocharged inline-4 with an electric motor, delivering nearly 400 horsepower and instant torque off the line. It's lighter than the V8 version, surprisingly agile, and perfect for enthusiasts who want performance with a modern edge, and better fuel economy while they're at it. The design, absolutely stunning. It's an evolution, not a revolution, but every angle, every crease feels deliberate. The low-slung front end, slim LED headlights, and wider rear stance scream aggression, but there's refinement too. The rear diffuser, functional vents, and aerodynamic sculpting all speak to serious wind tunnel work. And those taillights, inspired by the third-gen Camaro, with a modern twist. Inside, it's a different world from the Camaros of the past. Chevrolet has poured effort into making the cabin feel both premium and purposeful. The driver-focused cockpit returns, but it's now outfitted with a curved 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a floating 13.4-inch infotainment display running Chevy's latest system. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even over-the-air updates come standard. Material quality has also taken a huge step forward, with suede and leather surfaces, aluminum trim, and customizable ambient lighting. One major upgrade comes in the form of the Magnetic Ride Control 5.0 suspension, which reads the road 1,000 times per second. Whether you're carving corners or cruising on the highway, the 2026 Camaro adapts in real time, delivering the balance between track-ready handling and everyday comfort. The steering is tighter, response is quicker, and the chassis feels more alive than ever. Now, we can't ignore what's coming. Chevrolet has been dropping hints about the Camaro going fully electric in the future. And while the 2026 model sticks to what muscle car purists love, this car clearly lays the groundwork for what's next. Think of it as a bridge between eras, the soul of a classic, with the brains of tomorrow. And for those worried about personalization, Chevrolet is launching the 2026 Camaro. With a new program called Studio Build, buyers can customize everything from paint schemes and stripes to interior materials and tech packages. You can go wild with performance upgrades or keep it sleek and subtle. It's Camaro your way. There's also something bittersweet here. This may be the last time we see a Camaro with this kind of engine and feel. There's an undeniable nostalgia to it, knowing we're witnessing the end of a gasoline-powered chapter. But rather than fizzle out, the Camaro is going out like a firework, loud, fast, and unforgettable. In short, the 2026 Chevrolet Camaro is a love letter to performance junkies, a nod to the past, and a glimpse into the future. It's not just a car, it's a statement. And for those lucky enough to get behind the wheel, it might be the last chance to drive an icon before it evolves into something entirely new. That's it for today's deep dive. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, Leave a comment with your thoughts on the 2026 Camaro, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep looks into the machines that move us. This is Drive Depths. See you in the next one.